All right, here we go with 6th grade Excel lesson 9. We're going to be looking at division today, division with remainders, and doing some word problems with division with remainders. So let's get going. It says divide 7 into 2 equal groups. They show you a picture of 7 blocks right here, and they put these blocks into groups, 2 groups, and there are 3 in each group, but when you do that you end up with 1 left over, 3 remainder 1. And then here's the problem as a division problem. What multiple of 2 comes closest to 7 without going over? So you're counting by 2's, 2, 4, 6, 8. Well, 8 goes over, so the multiple that comes closest is 6. And so when we divide 7 by 2, we're going to put 3 up here because 3 times 2 is 6, and 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. There's 1 left over. Now this should be easy review for you. What we're going to do right now is something you might not have done before. We're actually going to solve these problems without showing our work. We're going to do them mentally in our head. Let's take a look at number 1. This is 47 divided by 7. Do this one with me, okay? So we go 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49. Well, 7 times 6 is 42. That's pretty close to 47, and it doesn't go over. 7 times 7 is 49. That goes over. So 7 times 6, we put a 6 right here. And then what's the remainder? 6 times 7 is 42. This number is 47, so we subtract mentally and get 5. Notice that I wrote the 6 above the 7 right here, not above the 4, because I'm putting 7 into 47, not into 4, or the 4's place, which is 40. So go ahead and do numbers 2 through 5 as quickly as you can without showing your work down below here. Do it all mentally, and then turn the video back on when you're ready to see the solutions. All right, you should have the answers already, so let's go over those. 8 times 4 is 32, remainder 3, because from 32 to 35 is 3. 3 times 8 is 24, 1 more to make 25. 6 times 8 is 48, 2 more to make 50. And 8 times 9 is 72, 6 more to make 78. Now we're going to take a look at some word problems involving remainders. Erasers are sold 5 to a box. Violet wants to buy erasers for 17 students. How many boxes will she have to buy? So picture this, you got 5. There's 5 in a box. If you buy 1 box, you're going to get 5, obviously. If you buy, oops, that's too many. If you buy 2 boxes, you're going to get 10. If you buy 3 boxes, you're going to get 15, but we have to buy them for 17 students. And that means that there's 2 kids that would not get an eraser, so you have to buy a whole nother box to get these other 2 erasers that you need to make 17. Here's 5, here's 5, here's 5, and then 2 more, but we're going to have these 3 that are left over in this last box that we buy, which is okay. You can just save those for later, but we do need to buy 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes. That's why they put 4 boxes here. They show you how to do the problem. 17 divided by 5 is 3 remainder 2. The reason the answer is 4 is because I have to buy 3 and an extra box for those 2 kids that would not get one. I'm not adding the 3 and 2 together. I'm just adding a whole nother box for the remainder. So go ahead and try number 7 right here. Pause the video. Turn it back on when you're ready for the solution. All right, it says Naomi has 25 flowers. A vase will hold 4 flowers. How many vases does she need? So we're going to do 25 divided by 4. And that's 6 remainder 1. You should be able to do that mentally, which means you need to buy 6, or you need 6 vases, but then we'd have 1 flower left over if you only use 6 vases, so that means we're going to need to use 7 vases. All right, sometimes a problem requires 2 answers. Hiroko bought 30 pairs for her 8 friends. She divided them equally. How many pairs did each friend get? How many pairs were left over? So you can see that if she's got 30 and she's dividing it by the 8 friends, you get 3 remainder 6. So each person would get 3 and there would be 6 left over. Not quite enough to go around to the 8 people and give them each 1. We would need 2 more pairs in order to give them all another pair. So there are 6 pairs that are left over. Here's a problem like that. Why don't you pause the video and try that one out and then turn it back on when you're ready to see the solution. Okay, Grace divided 26 toy cars equally among 7 boys. How many cars did each boy get and how many were left over? So we're doing 26 divided by 7. 7 times 3 is 21. 21 plus 5 is 26. So each boy is going to get 3 cars, and then there's going to be 5 left over. And that's our solution for that. By the way, when you go to do your check answers, you're going to put a 3 and a 5 in the check answer separately, which is going to add up to 8 in that situation. Alrighty, thank you for watching.